Robby in there. Hey, Scott Murray here again, live from Poland. Robby's here with me. We're going to talk a little bit more about making these trowels. I got to apologize. I didn't realize how big my damn nose looked on these videos. So only a face a mother could love, or maybe my wife for 33 years. So I apologize. I haven't looked at my mug. But, you know, we talked earlier about how we press fit those blades, precision press fit. Most important part of this thing is just keep it flat. So now we're going to talk about how do we, weld these rivets onto the blade, because it has to be a very strong weld for each rivet on the blade. We're welding to a hardened stainless steel. We've got a carbon steel rivet, obviously, for welding purposes. So the key is you got to keep the voltage the same, you got to keep the blade flat, and you got to get that rivet in exactly the same spot every time. Everything has to be done perfectly. So we're going to flip this around and kind of take a look at how we're doing this here automatic. So we have a cassette here full of blades. This machine's going to go ahead and pick up. It's going to pick up the blade. We're cutting these blades offline right now, but that'll change over time. You bring that blade into position, and you have the automatically held in place, and then we're getting individual rivets. Exact same voltage every time. Precision. Rivets being fed up here through a hopper. So again, now that blade index is over, and we come out, and then we are going to go ahead and press fit that on as we showed you earlier. But again, we're able to run this machine 24/7, ensuring again that we get the same weld every time. You can